All right, I just turned a flat image into a full 3D animated visual without touching After Effects, Blender, or any complicated animation software. And yeah, this is one of those tools that normally would take you hours or even days to recreate manually. The tool is called OpenMagic, also known as OMagic. You can literally use your Google account. One click and you're inside. On say you're logged in, this is where the fun starts. You'll see the dashboard with options like create, templates, upgrade, and all your projects. OpenMagic already gives you 30 free credits to test things out, which is actually solid because each animation normally costs around 10 credits per render, depending on the template. So you're not forced to pay immediately. You can test the platform first and decide if it's worth it. Now, let's jump into creating something. Click on Start with Template. And bro, they've got a lot of templates, different animation styles, camera movements, and lighting effects, all pre-built. The one that caught my eye was the Paris per Pascal R-style template. So I'm clicking that. Next step, upload your image. Important part here, your image must be in 9:16 portrait ratio. That's the format that works best with these templates. So what I did was open Photoshop, but you can use Canva, your phone editor, CorelDRAW, anything, and resize the canvas to 1080 by 1920. That's the perfect size. I picked a Statue of Liberty image just for testing and dragged it into the canvas, scaled it to fit, exported it as PNG, and saved it to my desktop. Then, I went back to OpenMagic, clicked Browse, selected the image, and hit Done. Now comes the fun part. You just press Create Magic, and this is where reality hits. This was my first time using this tool, no exaggeration, and the rendering time was long. I started the render around 7:23 p.m., and I legit had to pause the recording, go do other stuff, answer calls, live my life, because the render took almost an hour and a half. So yeah, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The render speed is slow, but when it finished rendering, and I played the video, it actually looked clean, smooth camera movement, cinematic lighting, real 3D depth. The image didn't look flat anymore. It felt like a professional promo animation. There was a watermark on the free version, which is expected. If you want full HD without watermark, they charge around $5 per export, which honestly isn't crazy if you're using it for client work or product ads. I downloaded the free version just to test it. Open the file. Simple, clean, professional. Would I wait 90 minutes for every project? Probably not for bulk work, but for special promos, hero ads, brand intros, product launches, or premium content. This tool actually makes sense. Here's my honest opinion. If you're someone who doesn't know Blender, doesn't want to learn After Effects, doesn't want to pay animators $100 plus per volt IDEO, OpenMagic gives you an easy shortcut. Is it perfect? No. Is the render time slow? Yes. Is the result impressive for AI? Absolutely. So if you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. Test the free credits first and see if it fits your workflow. And if you know any other AI tools you want me to test, drop them in the comments. I'm always down to break new stuff, so you don't have to.